It's what?
Flat wheelbase.
What's up, YouTube? My name is Corey with Corey J Cars. It's my YouTube. You can also find me on Instagram and TikTok under the same name. It's Corey J _cars. Trying to keep up with posting on a regular basis. But hope you guys are having a great day. Just wanted to make a quick video because in the last video you guys saw me fixing the 2009 Audi TT, and wanted to give you a quick little background and update. So in the last video you saw me putting in a new sensor and a new belt tensioner. Belt tensioner because it was squealing on takeoff, and the sensor because it was saying bank 1, sensor 1 or something like that was bad. Couldn't find out. We found a little tear in a coupling in a boot or something. But we got all that fixed. Things that you didn't see, I got the TPMS light turned off because I had all the TPMS, the sensors checked and recalibrated or whatever they did. Other than maintenance things that I done on the car, I wanted to let you guys kind of see with some of the pictures. I didn't get videos because I wasn't planning at the time to start a YouTube channel. So I apologize for not getting videos on how to do those things, but I'll have a bunch more to film for you guys. But in the pictures you'll see, I got when I bought the car, I bought it to have as a personal car, to not have to drive my good cars and keep the wear and tear and the miles off of my good cars. So I bought it to, you know, drive around, go to the store, and go to work, and you know, just mess around with it and not feel bad about taking apart a new car, and not feel bad if there's a lot of miles on my new cars. So when I bought the car, I wanted to make it mine, and in doing that, what I did is the Audi TTs seem kind of dated. They don't have at least the 09. The 09 didn't have a good stereo, a good radio in it, the head unit. You couldn't hook up your phone, Bluetooth or anything. You couldn't play music off your phone like you can on newer cars. And it was just a piece of crap radio. So I wanted to change that out. So I put one with Apple CarPlay. That way I could play my music, have GPS and all that. Well, when I did that, I found that the speakers in the car were somewhat dry rotted. Some of them were blown. Just sounded like garbage. So I went ahead and fixed all those. And upgrading the speakers, the stock Bose amp, not only was it corroded, one of the normal problems with the Audis and the Bose, there's a terminal that gets corroded and shuts things off in the radio. Well, it couldn't handle the new speakers that I put into it. So I went ahead and put a new amp to run all the new speakers. And I wanted a little bit of bass, so I put, 112 with a new amp with it as well in the trunk, or space in the back. So I got the whole radio, the whole system redone. Well, didn't get it done, I did it myself, which I wish I would have had a video for you guys to see. Also, the guy that had it before me painted the calipers yellow. Don't know why. It looked like garbage. So I had to get those and respray them. I just sprayed them black to match the color of the car. He had painted the wheels, and you can see it in the video. Those look like crap, and he curved them. So, but they're black, so I wanted to make the color of the calipers black as well. Also, I started wet sanding, buffing, and polishing on the hood after I did the headlights, and it came out, oh my gosh, other than normal highway rock chips and stuff like that, like it is almost a brand new paint job on the front. It looked really good. I think that's all that I did. If there's anything else that I'm missing, I'll maybe update, or if it's not really anything to post, then I probably won't. But either way, after I got the codes cleared on the computer, I went ahead and posted it, and less than 3 days later, I sold the car. So we are on the way now to pick up the car, put it on the trailer, and head to my studio to meet up with them and for them to come pick up the car, sign paperwork and everything. So I'll post some videos and show you guys what that process was like, and let's see if they love the car. All right, well, I'll see you in a little bit.
flat one day. It's so pretty.
She's like, smile away.
It's cute. Can't reach the corner on my
You gotta fix it for you. American stuff.
Duh, you gotta help me out. You're not gonna help me on my mirror?
No.
Well, I ain't even got my license in there. Oops.
Bye. You guys be careful. Little surprise. The Audi's back.
Why? 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 Why?